Se cayó y tenía un fuertísimo dolor. Aparentemente parece que es la costilla. No podía levantar el brazo. A ver, abuelita, levanta tu brazo. Ahora puedes levantar tu brazo. ¿Cómo te sientes?
Un poquito mejor. No podía levantarme el brazo ni moverlo nada para dormir, medio incómodo. Ahora duermo de costado y el brazo lo puedo mover poquito a poquito, pero al menos me siento mejor. Gracias al parche muy bueno y muy saludable.
Hola, mi nombre es María Magallán, soy terapeuta holística. Hace un mes que estoy con la empresa Xpress con un muy buen resultado. Les voy a contar un testimonio de una persona que es oncológica avanzada, tiene el cáncer ubicado en el estómago, le puse una banda energética y realmente maravilloso el resultado. Esta persona que está inmunemente muy deprimida comenzó a comer a las 2 horas. Y lo que más me llamó la atención, que en 3 horas se despegó. O sea que en 3 horas este cuerpo asimiló el componente de esta banda, que realmente es maravillosa. Y es el testimonio que quería contarles.
Vicky,
¿Dónde vive?
acá en Bombero Garrido,
Curicó.
Curicó, población Bombero Garrido. Empecé a usar los parches. Me lo puso primeramente en el hombro izquierdo. Tenía un dolor muy fuerte que de grado era de 10, o sea, de 10 me llegaba a 9.
Okay.
El tipo de malestar. Al ponerme el parche a los 2 días ya bajó la intensidad, ya era menos. Después de esos 2 días ella me lo volvió a poner, pero atrás en la columna, que también me alivió mucho el dolor, y hasta el momento me he sentido mucho mejor.
Bueno, excelente.
Y hasta ahí lo hemos hecho porque no he vuelto a volverme.
Mi nombre es María Adriana. Desde que yo estoy usando el parche me he sentido mejor, me he sentido bien, estoy activa, mi edad son 80 años y estoy bien, pues me siento muy bien, con mucho ánimo y sin dolores. Incluso yo sufro de artrosis y ya no me duelen las rodillas. Pero sí tengo que estar usando el parche para no tener ningún dolor y sentirme bien como me siento hasta actualmente. Eso sería mi aporte a las personas que quieran usarlo. Muy bueno, lo recomiendo. Incluso para mi vida sexual también me ha hecho bien.
A los 80 años retomó su vida sexual.
Sí, a los 80 años retomé mi vida sexual.
Muy bien, gracias señor Adrián.
Sí. Hola amigos, mi nombre es Gumercindo Morales, soy de México y voy a compartir una experiencia que he tenido con el Power Strip. Y hace unos días recibí el Power Strip y empecé a probarlo. Entonces yo en ese momento que tenía un dolor fuerte de cabeza por el estrés, por el trabajo, decidí que ponerlo y lo puse en la parte posterior de mi espalda. ¿Y qué fue el resultado? Que como a los 18 minutos, del 1 al 10 se me bajó como al 2. Y más o menos en 45 minutos ya se me había olvidado el dolor de cabeza que tenía muy fuerte. Entonces yo normalmente cuando me llegan esos dolores por el estrés o por lo que sea, tengo que usar 800 gramos de Tylenol o Motrin y tomar un baño, dormir por unas 4 horas. Y cuando usé el Power Strip no tuve que hacer nada de eso. Realmente estoy muy emocionado, estoy feliz porque también lo he usado con mi familia, lo he usado con amigos y he tenido unos resultados fenomenales.
I was asked by my friend to go play a game of hockey, and I'd only skated once in my life, and I was warned not to even go out on the ice. But I thought, what's the worst thing that can happen? You know, my butt will hurt the next day, I could fall a lot. And I thought, you know, I'll make a lot of people laugh. This will be a lot of fun.
I'm a former police officer. I'm also a veteran of Operation Iraqi Freedom and Enduring Freedom. And over the years, that lifestyle that has taken its toll on my knees.
I am a 58-year-old, in great shape person. Health has been a key part of my life for a very long period of time. And about 3 weeks ago, I severely damaged my right knee.
I broke my leg in 3 places. I have 8 pins in my ankle now. But I wake up every day with stiffness and pain.
I have torn ligaments in both knees, and I live with excruciating pain daily. Some days to the point where I can't walk, which is why I have Eva. She keeps me from falling down.
I could not absolutely walk from the bathroom to the bedroom. I mean, the pain was just so excruciatingly hurtful that you really couldn't even blow on the knee. I'm going to tell you, it was amazing. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
I've had ongoing pain in the left side of my neck. It made sleeping very uncomfortable, not continuous hours of sleep at night usually, a lot of tossing and turning with my pillows, radiating pain from the ball of my spine, I believe, out through the other parts of my back.
You know, when you're in pain, you know, the only thing you want is relief. Muscle pain or a strain, all you want is relief. And you'll do almost anything for relief.
Pain is an insidious process. It affects every aspect of your life. The quality of your sleep suffers. All the activities you do during the day suffer, from work to your leisure activities to the time you spend with your children. It changes the way you see the world. It begins to change your personality. And those who care most about you, the people around you, your family, your friends, they are impacted dramatically.
When Rick Basil contacted me and he said, you know, I think you should try these power strips because they're all natural. They're not a pill, they're not a prescription, and I think they can give you relief. And I said, yeah, I'm in. So I put it on that night. I put it right on my scar. And when I woke up the next morning, I can't even express to you how excited I was. I woke up and I went, oh my gosh, I don't have any more stiffness. It's gone. The pain relief was absolutely amazing in one day.
When I got the power strips, I put them on my legs, right above my knees. Within 1 hour, I was pain-free. Now, I've lived with this for 8 to 10 years. It hurts going up and down stairs just day to day. I can't function the way I'd like to. Within an hour of taking this, the pain being gone, I actually ran upstairs when my wife called me, and it dawned on me there was no pain.
And I placed the strip on my knee. I'm watching TV, and again, I don't know exactly when the pain subsided because it wasn't like an abrupt type situation. It was very, you know, it was very casual. And I noticed that for once, within 2 weeks, there was no pain. Talk about being a miraculous situation. I was totally blown away.
I placed a power strip, the first one, on the actual pain, and the first day I felt some relief. I wasn't real certain if it was a power strip or I was just lucky that day. However, I decided to put it on where I believe the pain originated from, which was on that ball on my spine, the second patch, which would be the third day. And the relief I felt at that point over that next 24-hour period was phenomenal. And as you can see, this wasn't even what I put the patch on for, but I can do this now. I'm happy. The patch works. My pain is gone.
And when you look at this pain epidemic worldwide, 1.5 billion people suffer from pain on a daily basis.
And I'm like, wow, this product, if it can work that quickly, this is a dream product in the direct sales industry. And I've been looking for a product like this for 20 years in my career, where a product can do the selling for you and all you have to do is take an envelope and send it to your friends and send samples out and let the product do the work, that is a dream come true in this industry.
I've been in this industry for 17 years. I've looked at different companies with different products, and they've all failed to meet my expectation. They didn't appeal to everyone. What I liked about FG Xpress and the power strips is it appeals to everyone, all the way around the world. If you're in pain, if you have discomfort, you need to try these.
Now, here's what I want to appeal to you. The person who's sharing this technology with you, try this technology. You will be absolutely blown away when you try out this power strip. You absolutely want to share this with everybody that you know. I've started making my list. You just want to tell everybody, because when you get relief, that's the first thing you want to do. Well, actually, it's the second thing you want to do. The first thing you want to do is you want to join the company. This is an amazing company, FG Xpress, and I just absolutely encourage you to join the company, get on board, try the strips, share with everybody that you know.
Not to mention that it ships anywhere in the world for $5, $5.
This is one of the companies where I've seen, one of the only companies where I've seen that somebody can immediately pay for their products, so they're into the black right away. They're making money right away, which is why we get into this industry.
And this product, again, is all about blessing and helping other people. I mean, what better way to get paid? By helping someone have a better quality of life.